And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. So some of you saw some thunderstorms this afternoon, but others did not. I'm calling this the Hidalgo County sandwich because the Mid-Valley almost missed out on the thunderstorms. It's either the Upper Valley in Starr County or the Lower Valley, both Cameron and Wellesley counties. The thing is, these thunderstorms were very fast moving to the north, about 35 to 40 miles per hour. They were not severe, but strong enough to cause some downed trees, especially in the Lower Valley, and the heavy strain was shown in the red. Because of the fast motion, not much rain fell. These are the estimated rainfall amounts. Only about 8/10 just north of Raymondville, about 3/10 or so in Harlingen and Brownsville, about 1/10 or so in Rio Grande City, and the highest was 2.3 inches in northern Starr County. We may have an early evening isolated shower. Otherwise, it is quiet for this evening. And because of the rain, look at the temperatures out east. They've cooled off to the lower 80s in Harlingen and Raymondville, lower 80s in Port Isabel, mid 80s in Brownsville. Out west, we're in the mid 90s in Edinburgh and McAllen. So here's your evening planner forecast. Perhaps an isolated shower at 7 o'clock this evening with a temperature of 90. But if you're out east, it's going to be cooler thanks to the rain-cooled air. Mid 80s at 9 p.m. and lower 80s at 11 o'clock tonight. So it is going to be again warm and muggy. Yesterday, we were talking about an area of low pressure in the mid-Atlantic that the Hurricane Center is looking at. They've canceled that. It is not expected to develop. And then up to the north, here's another area of low pressure well to the east of the U.S. in the Atlantic Ocean. In the North Atlantic, that is a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days, but it is expected just to meander over the North Atlantic open waters. And out west in the Pacific Ocean, we still have Hurricane Hector with maximum winds of 75 miles per hour, just a Category 1 hurricane. So on the right-hand side of your screen is Honolulu, Hawaii. Hector continues to move to the west-northwest. Right now it's 17 miles an hour. There's the forecast track. Hector expected to weaken to a tropical storm and then curve to the north, becoming a tropical depression by Friday east of Japan. Back home in Texas, a very soggy day for many parts of the Lone Star State, all thanks to a frontal boundary stalled out as well as an upper low that's out west in West Texas. A lot of heavy rain for central Texas, West Texas, even southeast and East Texas heading into the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Not as much here, just those thunderstorms thanks to what we call an outflow boundary, the cool air rushing down from the thunderstorms. But for tomorrow, it is going to be quieter as the air stabilizes here in the valley. So we are looking at just a hot and breezy day for tomorrow. Temperatures, wow. Not hot in most spots except in Laredo, 102 degrees. Compare that to 73 in Abilene and Longview, 77 Midland and Del Rio, thanks to all the rain, 79 in San Antonio. Right now, 90 in Houston, 85 in El Paso, and 86 in Dallas-Fort Worth. So here is Future Track. This is the upper level map. We have that big upper low out west in West Texas. That's going to eventually move off to the north and leave the area. And for us, the air mass will continue to stabilize. So it should be dry for tomorrow, just breezy. Now, we may have a stray sea breeze shower or thunderstorm each afternoon this week. So we're going to call it mainly dry. That means that most of you will simply be dry for each day, and it will still stay hot each day with high temperatures in the upper 90s to triple digits. So on the water tonight, we'll have winds into the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy. Small craft should use caution. Your next tide is the low tide tomorrow morning at 10:45, and the seas are 3 to 7 feet. Your forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, perhaps an early isolated shower, low temperatures in the upper 70s, and then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot and breezy with high temperatures in the upper 90s, though we will see triple digits for McAllen again and the upper valley. Here's that 7-day forecast, and the high temperatures continue in the upper 90s for Tuesday and Wednesday, then triple digits on Thursday, 99 Friday and Saturday. Thanks to another disturbance coming in from the Gulf of Mexico by next weekend, we may have a little better chance at this point, a 20% chance of some spotty showers or thunderstorms for next Saturday and Sunday, but in any case, it will still be hot. That is your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here